Hai, Ntize mtu. Tuna speaking Kiswahili. Unajua Kiswahili?
Okay, wait. Okay. So,
All different colors.
what's 90? Are you telling me 90?
I don't know. I got this from prom. That doesn't work. I went to prom the other day, but
I have a brain game between this Rubik's Cube.
oh, wait, 90 degrees.
Exactly. Where's the 90? What's the 90 way?
Because I almost got you guys. Look. Look what I got. Here, Kate, take that. Take mine.
That's what side?
Shut up. No judgment. This is you're mad because you're not winning. You guys are mad. You guys are mad because I'm winning. You guys are losers. You guys are following the computer. I'm not following you. I'm following my mindset. And I'm talking on video call with my friend. No, I'm making that. Why am I making you do that? Because you guys are talking to the computer. You guys are crazy. Are they all? A lot.